DA69T Remote Connection.
First, plug the network cable into the network port of the system. Plug the other end into the computer's network port.
Enter password 25789. Click the range icon. Click General Parameters. Click Remote Assistance. Set both switches to on. Then enter the Remote Assistance server here. Enter your own network address. You can consult a local network operator for it. Enter the Remote Assistance port here. Enter 6682. Click End. Enter the password 25789 and click Settings. Scroll to the end and click Network. Click on Network Settings on the right. Enable Interface. Select Enabled. Select Enable DHCP as No. Again, here, please enter your own LAN address for these items. Click End. Open a network on your laptop. Open Network and Sharing Center. Find the local area network you just created and click Local Area Connection. Click Properties. Find TCP IPv4. Then click Properties. Click to use the following IP address. Enter the previous IP address one by one. After settings are completed, click OK to return to the desktop. Go to the System interface, click Machine. Go to Maintenance page. Click Remote Assistance. Remote Assistance server, enter the local IP address you previously entered. Remote Assistance port, enter 6682. Now, let's switch to the laptop again.
See, this software you will have to install on your laptop first.
Click File. Click on the first. Enter the local IP address. Click Connect.
See, it's connected successfully. Now it's demonstration time. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.